Good morning students. Today's topic is electrode potential. Means how the potential developed between the electrodes. The potential developed between the metallic rod and the electrolytic solution. This is called as electrode potential. Or you can say that the tendency of a metals when it is placed in contact with its own ions to either lose or gain electrons. It become positively or negatively charged. The electrode potential will be classified into two types: reduction potential and oxidation potential. This is the example, like metal. On oxidation it will shows Mn2 plus. It will lose the electrons and it will form the plus charge on the metal head. But on reduction it will gain the electrons and it will form a neutral atom. The reduction potential and oxidation potential, this is the type of electrode potentials. First, I will discuss the reduction potential. Reduction potential means a tendency of a substance to get reduced by the gain of electrons. Higher the reduction potential, more chances of a substance to get the reduced. It means the substance will act as cathode because on cathode reduction takes place. Like the standard reduction potential of zinc, that is equal to minus 0.76 volt. Standard means 298 Kelvin temperature, 1 bar pressure and 1 molar concentration. Now next is oxidation potential. Oxidation means tendency of a substance to get oxidized by the loss of electrons. It means the substance will act as anode because on anode oxidation takes place. Oxidation potential is equal to minus reduction potential. Now, what are the standard electrode potential? It is denoted by E0. Means the electrode potential of an electrode under the standard conditions, like 1 molar concentration of each ion in solution, temperature 298 Kelvin, 1 bar pressure for each gas. All these are the standard conditions. At anode, oxidation takes place, so the potential is decreases because electrons are released from this rod, so air potential decreases. It will shows negative charge and the rod will dissolve. This rod will dissolve. But at cathode, potential increases because electrons gain takes place, means gaining of electrons takes place. It will show positive charge and the metals get deposited on the rod, so the rod will increase the weight. It becomes thick. So here potential increases, but at anode potential decreases. Metal gains the electrons and it will form a neutral. This is the reduction process which takes place at the cathode side. Now the next topic is electrochemical series, means ECS. This is important series. Means it is the arrangement of a substance in the increasing order of reduction potential values, or you can say that standard reduction potential. This is a series starting from here. After that, this how it is learned. This is lithium. Its standard reduction potential is minus 3.04. Potassium, barium, strontium, calcium, sodium, these have minus values, but minus 3, minus 2, minus 2 point something, minus 1, like this. Aluminium, manganese, zinc, chromium, iron, cadmium, and values minus 0, like this. How it is learned? By a simple trick. लेकर बार बार सरकार का नाम, मांगे अलादीन महान, जानकर फेंके कमल दवात, कोई ना सुने तो प्रभु, है कोई इंडियन, आगे होंगे बिहारी, पंडित ओम की औरत फरार. This is a simple trick which we can easily learn this electrochemical series. This series is arranged in the increasing order of reduction potential. Hydrogen having standard reduction potential, that is 0.00 volt, and after that plus values start, plus 0.3, 0.7, like this, plus 1, plus 1.1, 1.2, then last is plus 2.87. It means fluorine has highest standard reduction potential, so it has maximum tendency to get reduced. It means it shows minimum oxidation. And lithium has lowest value of standard reduction potential, so it get minimum reduction and maximum value of oxidized. Means it is easily oxidized but shows minimum reduction. Its standard potential value is lowest. Now, what are the applications of electrochemical series? First, these series are arranged in the increasing order of standard reduction potential values. Second, lithium has lowest standard reduction potential, so maximum tendency to get oxidized and minimum tendency to get reduced. Fluorine has highest standard reduction potential values, so maximum tendency to get reduced, means minimum oxidation takes place. Now, with the help of this electrochemical series, we can easily determine whether the given cell is feasible or not, means spontaneous or not. By the help of this series, we can easily find out which element is to be placed at cathode or anode. By the help of this series, we can easily find out which element is a better oxidizing agent or better reducing agent, because the substance which have lower value of reduction potential, that is better reducing agent, and vice versa. By the help of this series, we can easily find out which element can displace hydrogen from its compound. This is the standard hydro reduction potential. The element with the negative sign means above the hydrogen. Negative sign of reduction potential that can displace hydrogen from its compound. And the element with the lower reduction potential values means above hydrogen that can displace an element having high reduction potential values from its compound. All these are the applications or uses of electrochemical series. Thank you, students.